So who wants to be able to run their caravan aircon purely off their battery system in the van? I know I do. That's why we're here today. We're fitting out a full lithium power system to our new Jurgen Solaris family bunk van. We're going to be able to run our aircon, our washing machine, our hairdryer for the missus, the microwave, every appliance in the van is all going to be able to run fully off the battery system. So it's an Enerdrive power kit. We're installing it today and tomorrow. 300 amp hours of lithium, big charger, big combi inverter. It's going to be sick. Keep watching to find out more. We've got Dave here from Enerdrive. We're going to do a quick run through and talk about in specs just what each component is and how it's going to work in the van. So take it away, Dave.
Yeah, sure. Well, we'll start with the solar panels. In this particular case, we've opted to go for a 600 watt system consisting of 4 150 watt Enerdrive panels. Oldie bit of goodie, glass panels. We don't use stick-on panels. We've yet to find a product that really compares, to be honest. In some cases, you know, to be fair, an older technology is sometimes the better technology, and in this case we certainly stick with tried and tested products. And so we've opted for the 150 watt Enerdrive panel, 4 of. Our battery is obviously the heart and soul of this particular system. This particular one here is a 300 amp 12 volt Enerdrive lithium pack built locally here in Brisbane. What sets this range apart is this particular product here. This is our balancing device. It's called an active balancing system, and it is really a remarkable little thing. It's what enables us, A, to keep the cells in perfect balanced condition, but also, thanks to this product, we're able to actually parallel multiple batteries together. So sky's the limit in increasing voltage or increasing amperage. We can do it thanks to this product here.
It's crazy. And these things, the white packs too, they come in different dimensions. So if you've got different size spaces in your van, there's slimline ones,
yep,
there's fat ones, or they're called like compact ones. And you've also got different range, so you can have whatever amp hour rating you want, depending on the situation you want to run in your van.
So we do increments of 2s and 3s. So you can have 200, 400, 600, 800, 300, 600, 900 amps, whatever you like. This is our battery management system. Unlike a lot of systems where you see all the components soldered onto a little board inside of a lithium battery, this has a whole bunch of high quality components fitted onto a board, designed fit for purpose, I suppose. That is our battery management system.
Then we move on. This is the combi inverter charger. This is what's going to run all our 240 volt appliances in the van. So there's a few of these in the range as well. We've gone the big boy because we're running an aircon.
Yeah, 12 volt, 3000 watts. She's a heck of a unit. To give you an idea, we're running 120 mil cable to feed this. So for those in the know, they'll appreciate just how significant that is. That is huge cable. It's a big load. Thanks to that product, these batteries, we're actually in a position to run these loads successfully for quite a long time. It works really well. It's also a 120 amp battery charger, adjustable. So if we need to, we can dial that right back for a small generator, or we can max it right out to 120 amps per hour feeding our battery while plugged into mains or generator. The TriStar Morningstar solar controller. This particular one's pulse width modulating, so PWM 45 amp controller. And that's going to receive our array from the roof, 600 watts.
So what's the deal with running the separate solar controller and then the DC, mate? Because I can see this one's got the solar input as well.
Yeah, exactly right. It's quite acceptable to simply install the DC to DC charger. If you were to do that, you could feed solar into it and vehicle input. However, you're only ever going to get the maximum potential from this unit, meaning when vehicle is charging, you've got effectively 40 to 50 amps punching out of this.
Yep.
By going the separate system, we've got the full benefit of the array charging while delivering current from the vehicle as well.
So when I'm driving down the highway, yeah, I've got 600 watts of solar pumping in, plus my 40 amps of vehicle current all at once. So that's going to double the input going in, help me replenish that battery. And because we travel full time, we're going to be on the road every 3 or 4 days. We travel sometimes up to 8 hours. So it's going to be easy to pump it back in and get it fully usable again. So
yeah, absolutely right.
And that's the whole kit. That's everything involved.
Yeah, pretty well.
Bit of wiring here and there.
Bit of mucking around now to get it all fitted in there, but yeah, that's where we're at.
So the good thing with this is all available in a kit form, and you can pick and choose what components to suit your system and what you need to run. And these guys they've trained people like we are today at the Caravan Repair Centre. They're going to be an installer for all this lithium product now. And you can bring your van here for a retrofit. If you want to up spec and get some wicked lithium power in your van, be able to run everything, a system like ours or even a smaller one or something tailored to you, talk to the guys at Enerdrive. They'll put you in touch with the guys at Caravan Repair Centre and Caravan RV Camping. You can get up here. They've got trained personnel now because Dave's here telling them all about it, showing them the ins and outs of it. and we've got his technical knowledge on hand at all times. So get in, check it out. I can't wait to get this in our van. It's going to enable us to do some serious cool stuff this year while we're travelling around. Appreciate it, mate.
No problem.
Thanks, Dave.
Cheers.
Good to have you here.
Not a problem.
Thanks. All right, so all the components of my kit fitted in the one storage hatch, which was unreal for us. In this back one here, next to the wheel arch, nice and level over the axle, so it's good weight distribution. Inside, you've got the lithium power pack, the white pack, and then in beside that, there's the battery management system, and then the DC to DC charger, the inverter, which does all the charging and the 240 volt power, and then on the inside is the solar controller. So the whole kit goes in there, nice and compact. It's wired up schmick by the guys here at the repair centre, and that powers our whole van. So now, aircon, microwave, washing machine, what else we got? Fridge, hair dryers, hair straighteners, NutriBullet. I don't know, you can do anything. Make a smoothie, dry your hair, iron your hair with the bloody GHD, whatever you want to do with the missus. It's fantastic. So we're going to be able to go wherever we want now. Think of the savings on free camps, you know. We don't have to pay for park fees anymore if we don't want to. All we need to find is water on the way to our next location, and we're good to go. The whole van is going to be self-sufficient. Yeah. And massive thanks to the guys at the Caravan Repair Centre and the boys from Enerdrive for a sweet system and a bloody sweet install as well. So keep watching. We're going to have some mad vids coming from the places we go and the stuff we can do with this new setup. So only a couple of days, mate, but really a few hours work.
Done and dusted. Once the install, retrofit can go into any area of the caravan that you need. You can decide, obviously being the customer, the consumer, you can put it anywhere that you want, but feasible, a larger space is better if need be. Yeah, retrofit, really solar cables, battery wires.
And just hook into the existing 240.
Yeah, very simple system to be installed. Yeah, anything in other regards that you need any info on, don't hesitate to contact us on 1800 787 278 or caravanrvcamping.com.au.
So Brad will be your point of contact here at the repair centre for anything lithium. He'll talk to the guys at Enerdrive, liaise with them to get the best system you can for your usage and what you need in your van. And up here at the repair centre, they are now a recommended installer, so you can bring your van here and get it done. They'll smash it out in a couple of days, probably a lot less now.
Yes.
Ours was the first van, so there's a lot of filming going on, a lot of teaching and learning from the guys at Enerdrive. Now they're all tricked up on it. Be a piece of cake. So cheers, mate. Thanks for your help.
Easy done. Pleasure. Thanks again. Thanks, Trip in a Van.
Keep following Trip in a Van. Justin and Beck are going to be able to answer any questions you guys have with regards to their system. And likewise, a big shout out to the team at Caravan Repair Centre. These guys are going to be in a position to offer you excellent service with regards to advice, supply and installation. Give them a call or look them up online. And likewise, if you have any other questions, contact us directly at Enerdrive. We're more than happy to help you out anytime.